All right, I was looking for a new trike. I traded in my old one, and I was looking at these new 2026 Street Glide 3s. I love it. It's exactly like my older trike. I wanted the new suspension, but at the same time, I wanted to keep the Tour-Pak, and this wasn't just what I wanted. So I'm gonna show you what I went and bought. And what I'm gonna show you, there are options for you to keep the Tour-Pak, keep the big comfortable seat for your passenger significant other. So I bought a 2026 Road Glide 3, and you notice no rear seat or no passenger, road sofa back here, no Tour-Pak. You've just got the trunk, right? And you think, well, I'm limited. I can't put anything, I can only put so much back here. Well, what I did, and the only reason I found out about this is one of the sales guys here had already been in contact with a company named Q-Tech that they have a mounting bracket that goes on the back so that I can put a full Tour-Pak on the back with the seat, and I'm sure there's a wiring harness so you can put speakers. So you get the best of both worlds. You get the Road Glide fairing, which for me, it keeps a little more wind off of me. You get the Road Glide 3, you get the upgraded suspension, you get the Tour-Pak, and you still have access to your trunk. I bought one of those. They ordered it, parts counter ordered it. It was just here in a couple of weeks. It's gonna be paint matched to my bike. I've already talked to the service department back in the back. They're gonna do an install, and one of the guys here, Michael, is gonna film the install so that all of you that want the Road Glide 3 but have been worried that you couldn't get a Tour-Pak, that you would lose some storage, you would lose some room for going on a road trip, this is the best of both worlds. Now the good thing about this is you're gonna be able to see this, you're gonna see the install, you're gonna see how easy it is for them to do it and what the radical change it's gonna make out of this Road Glide 3. The other thing is the company is gonna be here for Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue, or the rally at Exit 86. They're gonna be here. We're the headquarters for Bikes, Blues, and Barbecues. The guys at the parts counter know exactly what you can need for this. Service knows exactly how to do this. So you get best of both worlds. You get the giant Tour-Pak of whatever bike that you've had, but you get it on the new Road Glide 3. Thanks for watching. Come see Pig Trail Harley-Davidson. We're the headquarters for Bikes and Blues.